Hello friends, how are you doing? So, how to be mentally strong or mentally tough to face difficulty in life? That is a big question used to be in front of everyone. So, what we should do to be mentally tough or mentally strong? It is something like building your brain muscle. But what we should do for that? So, number one, you should master your emotion. So we have to master or control our emotions. Whatever thoughts come in our mind, that dominates our action also. So if we think that we will fail in some work or in some job, then we will definitely fail in it because we are convinced that we will fail. But if we divert our mind in a positive way, and if we think कि we will get success in certain work or certain type of job and will work with that attitude to complete that work, then definitely we will get success in that. So we should always control our emotions to our actions. Number two, we should set new goals. Always we should write down some small goals and some big goals also. And first, we should try to achieve those small goals and work to get success in achieving those small goals. Like, suppose we can set a small goal regarding waking up early in the morning, 5 o'clock, and we should commit ourselves that daily we will wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning and try to achieve that goal. And slowly our mind will set up like that. So we will become mentally strong to wake up at that 5 a.m. time, whatever time we go to sleep. And our body cycle automatically gets adjusted to that. So, like that, for small work, you should set goals, and after achieving that goals, definitely you will feel happy and you will feel positive and will inspire you to take more positive actions towards your goals. Number three, make some list for accountability. So we should keep ourselves accountable for completion of some work or some duties. And if we will keep ourselves accountable and complete that work after making ourselves accountable, then definitely we will feel happy, we will feel joyful, and we will become more strong that we can make ourselves accountable to complete some tasks or some duties or some work, whether it is in office, whether it is in home, or whether it is in some society program or cultural program or any sort of work for which we can make ourselves accountable. Number four is we should focus on making ourselves happy. If we will make ourselves happy, then we will become mentally tough. So how to make ourselves happy? We should always think of memories which are there, which can make us happy. And that way, even if you are doing a small work or completing some type of duties, then we should celebrate them after completion of that work and be in such an environment where people are happy. So when you are happy, there your mind will give you the positive vibes, and with those positive vibes our mind will become strong. Number 5, we should take some risks in our life. If we are not taking any risks and if you are in a comfortable zone, then there will be no rewards. So risk should be taken to get the rewards. And if you are taking the risks and gaining something, then it will definitely help us to get more strength and to take more actions in our life with the risks and achieve the results. Number 6, make mistakes. Without mistakes, no one learn anything. If we will not make mistakes, we will not learn anything. Always with our mistakes, we learn what not to do, and we can take other ways and process to complete our work or our tasks or to achieve our goals. So it is always better to make mistakes and learn. If you are not making mistakes, it means you are not learning at all. So to learn and to be mentally tough, start new things, make mistakes, and get experience through those mistakes. Number 7, small wins make big gains. So whether it is a small task or whether it is a big task, if you are achieving any small thing, suppose you want to run for 5 kilometers, you set a goals for target to run for 5 kilometers, but you cannot run immediately for 5 kilometers. So make a goal. First day you will run 1 kilometer, second day 2 kilometers, third day take rest, fourth day again 3 kilometers, and by week you totally run you 5 kilometers and celebrate that win. That celebrating that win will generate hormones in your mind and your body, which will further give you enthusiasm to take more actions, to do more tasks, celebrate that wins also. So that way you will become strong. Number 8, about your past. Always try to remember the good memories of past, not the bad memories where you will feel nervous, where you will feel anger, where you will feel frustrated. Even if you are remembering your past, then please try to remember good memories. which makes you happy. And number 9, celebrate or think about failures. So if you try to do 5 new things and you get failed in one, then keep remembering those 4 things in which you got success and celebrate those things instead of thinking of one thing where you have failed. So if you start practicing all above, all these ways or steps which I have described here, you will definitely will become mentally tough or strong and will move towards positive attitude and achieving more success in life. Thank you.